Power cleaning services for outside your home in Long Island. Pool deck cleaning. If you feel like the deck is stacked against you, call in the local pressure washing company you can trust to revitalize the look of your pool deck and turn your next backyard party into a real splash. Graffiti removal. Art can be a beautiful thing, but not when it comes along in the form of graffiti and it's painted on the outside of your building. Pressure washing Long Island can remove the artistic offerings of graffiti artists and restore your Long Island business, home, or commercial property to its former radiance. Fence cleaning. Good fences make good neighbors, but clean fences make great-looking neighborhoods. If your fence is looking a little lackluster, the pros at Pressure Wash Long Island have the tools and the know-how to bring your fence from drab to fab. Cedar Cleaning. The pressure washing professionals at Pressure Wash Long Island can clean your delicate cedar surfaces, reviving their appearance and revealing their natural beauty. Pressure Wash Long Island is your leading pressure washing company serving the North Shore of Long Island. Contact us or visit our website now.